Ecco, oggi zona rossa, quindi partenza da casa, Tricesimo, destinazione sempre il Monte Faeit, che è uno dei rilievi più vicini a casa mia, pochi chilometri, e raggiungo la base Tarcento, la base per la salita. Ci sono diverse varianti. Quella che ho preso io, naturalmente quella più comoda per me, arrivando da Tricesimo, che è quella che sale direttamente da Tarcento. Poi ce n'è un'altra Troi di Aris, che è una frazione di Tarcento. Poi sull'altro versante del Faeit, Monte, oppure Artegna, Magnano, Billerio. Quindi veramente tante possibilità che confluiscono tutte in due forestali principali che salgono fino quasi sulla sommità della cima del Faeit. Per arrivare all'attacco del Troi dal Bepi, e quindi Troi di Aris, non serve salire fino sulla cima del Faeit, ma in prossimità di Samardenchia si può svoltare, come ho fatto io, a sinistra per una forestale molto gradevole, un continuo saliscendi, che porta, diciamo che passa prima da Borgo Cragnolini e poi si stacca sulla destra una nuova forestale piuttosto ripida che raggiunge l'attacco del Troi di Bepi.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. That is your chance to be rude. Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If
If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb, and I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I will get back up, cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt, they're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
Spettacolo. Eccoci, fatto il Troi di Aris, siamo sulla strada che porta a Borgo Cragnolini, quindi è un Troi molto divertente, forse un po' più impegnativo rispetto al Troi dal Beppi, se non altro per la pendenza un po' più marcata. Oltretutto oggi era anche molto asciutto il terreno, quindi scivolosetto in alcuni punti. Quindi un grazie al Beppi, per la cronaca Giuseppe Peresutti, che ha sistemato, risistemato e ridisegnato questo percorso. Bene, visto che avanza ancora un po' di tempo, perdiamo un po' di quota e arriviamo in prossimità di Artegna per riprendere la forestale che sale da Artegna fino, diciamo, in prossimità della cima del Faeit, per prendere un altro sentiero chiamato Orange. Eccoci arrivati all'attacco dell'Orange Trail, che è questo, che ci dovrebbe portare al torrente Orvenco. Quindi qui abbiamo la pista, la strada forestale che sale al Faeit, e qui abbiamo il sentiero delle cascate che arriva a Borgo Cologna. Molto bello anche questo. Però oggi prenderemo l'Orange Trail.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out,
a strapiombo sulla valle del torrente Orvenco. Qui abbiamo degli scalini molto ripidi, pericolosi, in una parte un po' esposta, quindi preferisco farmeli a piedi.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
Yeah.
baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah.
Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad.